Are you gonna go swimming?
Shut up.
Hala, I don't wanna go there. It's like it's wobbly. Wala pa kaming anak pero nag-aaway na kami ha kung anong gagawin namin sa anak namin.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys, aalis ang lola at lolo ninyo ngayon. Ang lola at lolo aalis, magpunta tayo sa party. Sabi pa ng mag-party, magdala daw kami ng binisot, towel and everything kasi may lake daw doon. Baby party guys, mga pangbata. So ngayon, alam nyo naman ako na hindi nyo ako makikitang mag-bathing suit, magpa-sexy at makitang mga kutipot na mga lagumers. Hindi yan pwede sa akin. So sabi ng Mr. si Tami, ayaw na yung mga ganun. So magpunta lang kami doon, magbigay ng gifts, stay with the family. Hi guys! So ngayon, dahil po isa tayong babae and hindi natin kaya na mataas na yung buhok sa kilikili natin. So kailangan kong mag-wax. So kayo guys, kapag manunood kayo ng mag-wax, so i-blur lang natin dito kasi po magubad po ako. Kasi guys, yung kilikili natin guys, pinapataas ko siya yung buhok. Alam nyo kung bakit? Gusto ko pag-wax, dala lahat. Kailangan talaga daliin yun para pinaabtik ba na? Hala, oy. Ba't hindi na dala? Hi guys. Guys, alam nyo guys, ready na ako guys. Basa pa itong buhok ko, pero kakain po tayo kasi po, napag-anuhan ko, punta tayo sa party. Kailangan natin kumain ng rice kasi walang rice sa party, di ba? Walang rice, walang ka-rice, walang gulay, wala. Iwan ko kung anong serving kasi mga birthday ng bata. So, kaya yun. Yan, nagre-ready lang si Mr. Okay. So, huh? Oh, yeah, that's what I've been looking. It's like I'm losing one battery. And there is one here too. It's full. How to do this?
Don't do it like that.
Busy si Uncle Tommy. Oh, beauty. Hello?
Oh, that's not good.
What happened?
It says Happy Easter. Oops.
Han, because it's a dog.
Yeah, so I was a duck should be Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Yeah, because I pressed it in there and it didn't say it. It said like.
You are extra special.
See, I like that.
Somebody loves you.
Oh, some bunny extra special. Okay, it's all Easter crap.
Yes.
Okay, that's not gonna go.
Do you want a pen?
Yeah.
Ay, naku, Tami. Luckily, yung present. Oh my God, si Tami mabili ng regalo. Happy Easter daw. Ay, as usual, ganito. Let umalis. Okay. Punta lang kami guys sa birthday. Ma-birthdayhan man kami. Ma-birthdayhan, love. Say hi to you, them.
Hi guys.
Hilig ma-birthday. So, ito na guys. Puntahan na natin itong my birthday at saka itong asawa ko. Tignan mo. Look at my hubby. Always in the phone. That's what I told you guys. I'm his driver. I'm vlogging. And he won't talk to me. Talk to me and tell me your name. Ahoy, ahoy.
Ahoy.
Slowly with your cigarette, eh? Talk to me, Han.
Scotch. My wife is a freaking Scotch.
Vlog yourself.
I'm not vlogging myself, I'm vlogging you.
Ay, nako guys. Let's go to the party guys. Tommy and I eat because, you know, for me, there's no rice. Party over here, there's no rice. There's no rice, there's no lauoy, gulang-lang, vegetables. Tommy have his own cheese because he's a cheese guy.
A couple pieces of cheese, a couple pieces of salami.
Salami and cheese. Yeah. Salami is a salami, like lami.
Salamat.
So what is Tagalog of thank you?
Salamay.
Salamay. You just said it before.
I know.
Why is it salamay?
I changed it.
My husband is not a good vlogger. Eh?
I was doing fine. pointing at me. That's why you're not pointing at me.
Well, it's nice to point it at you. Han, you have a vlog. Get used to it. He's a vlogger. Get used to it. Are you gonna go swimming?
Shit, no.
Ayaw niya
Do I
mag-swimming.
look like a Muslim?
Look at him. That's okay. Alright guys, I have a story. Tommy and his family, before I meet them, they always go to Jersey Shore. Okay, every year. For 1 week, right? For 1 week.
In 1,000 feet, turn
And
left onto
they do
I-84
kayak.
eastbound.
So, they do kayak, you know, my sister-in-law, him, you know what he did, guys? He carried everything, his cell phone, his wallet, and he put in the Ziploc bag, and then the kayak, is it go down, ano?
No.
It's sink, huh? Everything is wet. So, nabasa silang lahat, guys. See, this is thing. And he's wearing his boots. You know, the normal thing. He was a boots guy. He's wearing his boots. He's wearing his, like, this thing. I think he wears shorts. But the boots, I think, if every time he wear boots, he wear, like, normal. It's like normal. And he do kayaking, guys. And he carried, do you have a camera, Han?
No.
No, you don't bring a camera. So, that's my husband, the funny story in the kayaking time.
The lake is that way. It's telling you to make a left, so I guess we're not going towards the lake.
There is a lake.
Yeah, but we're not going towards the lake. Oh no, I guess we're just riding inside of it.
So the
These
thing is,
houses
they
could
have
be
a
expensive because
parking.
they're overlooking the lake.
So, no, this is not their house. It's very
No, I'm saying these houses.
Yeah.
overlook
Anyway,
the
so
lake.
you think we can park here? You think there is a parking?
I'm sure there's parking somewhere.
So,
I'm guessing these people in front of us are going the same reason as we're going.
You will arrive at your destination on the right in 1,000 feet.
over there. Look. Oh, probably right here.
Yes, people
This is
parking.
it. Are we gonna go parking over here?
Oh, I get people.
Okay, you
he's
can. I really like this tree.
These kids about water balloons.
Han. I remember this thing, Ange. In the Philippines, we use this as a torch.
Break them out of the punks.
Yeah.
Oh, the punk. Oh, yeah, you soak them in kerosene.
Yeah, we use that in the
old timers used to
Philippines.
tell us that. You take them, soak them in kerosene.
They say you can cook them and eat them, believe it or not.
No.
The cattails? I never heard that.
But you cook
Did
them.
you eat them?
We don't eat that. We use that for like, you know.
Torches.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we always
Well,
use.
see, that one, those are.
Hala, I don't wanna go there. It's like it's swabbly.
So Indian Lake is about as long as this one.
Ang hugaw naman dito, ang dumi. Ay, look, oh. So yun, pagkatapos ng birthday, naghintay lang kami na i-blow yung candle, kanta-kanta happy birthday, kumakain yung iba ng cake, umuwi na kami kasi sobrang init. Hello guys! Galing ako sa Walmart na bumili ng pagkain ng aso, creamer para sa kanya kasi naghahanap siya ng creamer. And then he asked for milk. And then yun, dito na kami, malapit na kami sa bahay. So yun. Malapit na. Loy! Ay! Aduh, come on. I wanna go out first. Gusto sila una ang maihi bago ako. Aroy, Ginoo ko. Tingnan niyo to. Hi guys! So ngayon guys, dito na kami sa bahay guys. Meron pala silang rice doon. Oy, akala ko wala silang rice. Pero meron pala. Roxy, enough. Meron silang rice. Ay, sus, akala natin wala. Pero meron pala. Wala kaming kinain masyado. Wala akong hindi ako kumain doon marami. Ano lang, konting sausage. 2 sausage lang actually. And 2 sausage. And then konting rice. Yun lang yung kinain ko. Bakit pakakain pa talaga ba? Iinom ako ng tubig kasi ang inom ko doon, inom ko margarita na walang lasa. Parang ice lang, hindi marunong. Parang ice lang ba yung inom ko? With a little alcohol. Sumakit nga yung ulo ko eh. Hi guys, I'm asking my husband if we have a boy, if we have a kid. So if we have a boy and then that boy is like you know, spoiled, controlling us like that, it's like you can't control them. Tommy said, what did you say?
That would not happen.
It's not gonna happen?
Not gonna happen.
What if it's very, you love him so much, you give him what he wants,
You love him, you're not gonna let him ruin his life, so no, it's not gonna happen. That's the deal.
and then he will walk away and run?
No.
Huh? What are you gonna do? Easy to say, honey, when there's really in real life.
Man, not gonna happen.
What do you know, when the kids nowadays, they will say, oh, child abuse, so my parents shall be
Do
there.
whatever they want.
It's really true that the girls are worse than boys. Because when girls is fall in love, have crush and this and that, oh my God, Tommy, your baby girl would be not listening to daddy. Daddy
Bring them up
Tommy.
right.
Huh?
Bring them up right. Make them know right from wrong, good from bad. That'll help. A lot.
He's feeding his kids. And you know what? When I went to Walmart, guys, I bought him this, guys. And he doesn't eat. You know, sometimes he wants this. I want to get guy, I want to grab something, but he will eat it.
Yeah, sometimes when I get an urge for something, yes, sometimes.
So that's all our conversation, because I'm curious what he's gonna do. And I told him if we have a baby girl, I will bring them. I will raise my baby to the province, and he need to follow us. That means he follow where I bring the baby. You know, because it's different, guys. Honestly, if you're in the province and then you love your kids and then teach them right or wrong, and then, you know, and then come back here in the US.
Guys, you in the Philippines, we from the province. How many of your friends got pregnant when they were very young?
Not, Han, don't even see that, Han, because
Why?
you say like what? No, because
True is true.
no,
It is
there,
what it is.
Han, not all of them, but
Not
they are.
all of them?
No, it
But you act like,
it
oh, if
depends.
you're in the province,
no,
it'll
it
be
depends.
different. No,
It
it
depends
won't.
with the parents. Over here, honey, it's the generation, and it's really advanced over here. It's scary. Wala pa kaming anak pero nag-aaway na kami ha kung anong gagawin namin sa anak namin. Wala pa kaming anak pero nag-aaway. Paano na kaya kung meron kaming anak? Nagbihis na ako, guys. Nagbihis ako kasi gusto kong ibalik yung damit ko, no? Twice ako magbalik-balik ng damit, guys. Kasi na bang ganyan, guys? Ako, guys, alam nyo, guys, yung mga pantalon ko, guys, balik ko tayo, mga pantalon tayo damit, mga pabalik-balik. So, yung mga pantalon ko, mga tatlo, 4 na basis. Kung sobrang dumi yung pinantahan ko, naman dumi yun, ilabhan ko na siya. Pero mostly 3 to 4 kapag labas lang ako grocery and then uwi, ganon. I will use it 3 to 4 times, jeans. Tommy, I don't know. He used jeans maybe like twice. If it's not, yes, and if it's not really dirty, right? Me, I
Well, when I'm actually working and stuff, I
know you wash it
every day, but you know,
every day. But me, if I just go grocery and not really dirty, I will probably wear it 3 to 4. Bra, don't even talk about bra, guys, because unnoticeable and you cannot see it, guys. You cannot see it, guys, so I can do it for a year. I'm just kidding. My husband's face, guys. Ang good Tommy. No, grabe naman, oy. Grabe naman, oy. Pagpugta mo lang, grabe na kaitom. Itim na yung pag ano mo, paglaba, no? Mga 1 week or 2 weeks. But that 2 weeks, guys, is just not one bra. Probably 2 or 3 bras lying down in my bedroom area. Honey, you knew that. Well, actually, it's really true. Why should I do it? But the top, guys, top probably twice or 3 times.
Oh, guys, she doesn't even wear bra. Who's you kidding me?
I don't wear bra inside the house, guys. No. That's it. You know, it's like repeatable, guys. It's very common. You know where I learned this like this? When I was in high school. You know, it's expensive to buy a labadami labango na sabon. It's expensive. I guess it's bedtime now. He's changing to a Superman. Okay, bring Misty out. Misty, go out with Dada. Come on. Come on. Go out with Dada. And then matulog na kami kasi po mag-ano na kami. Maghagok. Ay, ginoo ko eh. Maghagok. Come on. Come on, monkey. Come on. Come on, monkey. Anyway, guys, good night. See you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Wala masyadong ganap. Say bye-bye, love.
Hi, guys.
Bye. See you tomorrow.